Good morning. I just wanted to take a second to kind of introduce myself to you guys. So, my name is Miss Bockover. I'm super excited to be some of your homeroom teachers, but to also lead you in your science class this year. A couple pictures of me. This is me when I was younger. The first one is me in probably second grade, maybe. The third one, maybe kindergarten. I had some cute bangs. I don't have those anymore. But just to kind of give you an idea of who I am and some things that I like. So my name is Lindsay. I graduated UNCW first with a bachelor's in science and biology. I conducted an honors thesis in ecology studying the purple pitcher plant. It's a carnivorous plant, super fun, super cool. Would love to talk more about it with you guys someday if we have the time. And then I also completed my master's in teaching and secondary education with a concentration in science. My email is right there if you ever need to contact me. That's my school email, and also the best way to get in touch with me. And then I just wanted to give you guys a couple of fun facts about me. So I love investigating the local wildlife, both here at Elizabethtown and Wilmington, and then also just all over. So here's some pictures of me and the wildlife that I've found. I love frogs, I love reptiles, I love lizards, I love turtles. I saved that hawk down there from a pool one summer. I saved that rat, but then we ended up having to kill it because nobody likes rats around. I recently learned how to fish. I'm not very good, and I do not like putting the worms on the hook, but it's one of my new skills. And then we found that snake also one time at work. It was really cool. It was trying to imitate a poisonous, it wasn't poisonous, otherwise I wouldn't be holding it. It was trying to imitate a poisonous snake by flattening its head more like a cobra shape. So that was really cool to kind of see how it adapted and evolved. Another fun fact about me, like I said, I conducted an honors thesis, sorry for the spelling mistake, on the purple pitcher plant. And then I have some pictures for you of it. The purple pitcher plant is down here with that little frog chilling in it. It makes like a pitcher so it holds water, and it actually is the only carnivorous plant that doesn't use digestive enzymes. It instead hijacks a ecosystem, a small mini micro ecosystem inside of it, and uses that to get its nitrogen instead of digesting the insects or whatnot like the other carnivorous plants. Down at the bottom is the famous carnivorous plant, the Venus flytrap, which is only found within 50 miles of Wilmington. And this is actually my favorite carnivorous plant. It's called a sundew, and this is the filamented species. So each of those little things that looks like dewdrops are sticky, and that's what captures the insects. I got a grant to study these, so we have my own population at UNCW. I hope they're doing well. I haven't seen them in a couple years. And then this picture is me when I defended my thesis with my professor, Stuart Borrett, at UNCW. And then the last fun fact about me, in my free time, I lead mission trips and camps for youth. So here's just a couple of them. I spend some time each year in Mallory, West Virginia with a camp. That's what's right here with some of the youth and some of my other co-leaders. And right here, here we were still in Mallory, but doing a little bit of different mission work with a food bank. And then at the very bottom, I was a camp counselor for about 2 years now. That's one of my groups in Ohio. This year I spent time at a mission camp called The Refuge in Ayden, North Carolina. I had a lot of fun. Would love to talk to you guys about it if you're ever interested. But I love working with kids so much that I do it in my free time. Oh, I was wrong. There was one more fun fact. So I am always trying something new and adventurous. So I love to hike. I love exploring, like I said, the natural world around us. I love zip lining. I'm working on my surfing skills. I'm working on my climbing skills. I actually used to be scared to rock climb. I wasn't scared of heights, but I don't like that the rocks are so close to your face. But I'm working through it, and I love it. And then I also like to hunt for sea glass. That's one of my favorite spots down there in Southport. But anyways, that's the end of the slide. Again, I am so looking forward to meeting all of you guys, and I'll be recording another video, kind of a how-to log into Canvas and PowerSchool and all that good stuff. You should find that later. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.